Alright guys, today is test day, so we're going to do a couple little review things. The first thing I want to talk about is this worksheet that's in your green folder. You can do it before your test for some extra practice, or if you want to do it after the test, either way is fine. Your job is to cut out these squares. Make sure you cut out around on the dotted lines and not the shape. And you're going to put them and decide if they have halves, so they have two pieces that are the same, or if they're fourths and have four pieces that are the same. Okay? So once you do that, you can color them, whatever you want, but make sure you glue them in the right spot. Okay? Then let's look at our homework. Now this page you have not had in your folder, but you may have gone over it with your parent out loud. So we're going to go over it together right now. Okay? So let's look at number 1. It says, draw a line that cuts the circle in half. We learned that fancy word for cutting something in half is partitioning. Okay? So then you're going to color one half of the circle. So when we cut something in halves, we cut it in two pieces. So draw my line like this, and then it said to color one half. So I'm going to color one of the two pieces. Okay. Now on number 2, it says draw a line that cuts the rectangle into fourths. We know that when we cut something into fourths, that means that it is 4 pieces. Then it says to color 1/4 of the rectangle. So I'm going to draw one line to cut it in half. Let me grab a different pen or a crayon. I'm going to draw one line down like that. And then one line across. So it went from one line where it was halves to 2 lines, now it's fourths. And I need to color 1/4 of my rectangle. So one piece. I'm going to go back and color my circle a little better so you can see it. There we go. All right. Number 3 says circle the shapes that are divided into equal shares. Remember, equal means the same. Cross out the ones divided into unequal shares. So I'm going to circle the equal shares and cross out the unequal. Let's look at this first shape. It has 2 pieces. Are they the same? Yes. So I can circle that one because they are equal. Let's look at this one. Are these 2 pieces the same? No, they're unequal. I can mark it out. What about this one? Good, they are unequal. Would not be fair to share those. What about in this triangle? Good, it's equal. All right, let's look down here. What about this rectangle? Are these 2 pieces the same? Yes, good, so we can circle it. What about this triangle? He has 2 pieces. But is he equal halves? No, he's not. All right, if this was our pizza, would you want to share it with someone? Yes, because they have the same size and shape. Last one, this square. Are these 2 pieces the same? No, so I'm going to mark it out because they are unequal. All right, let's look at number 4. Lee had 8 stickers. His friend Sam gave him 7 more. If someone gives you more, are you going to add or take away? Good, you're going to add. All right, so how many stickers does he have now? That can give us a clue that we're going to add. So let's go ahead and write our number sentence. He had 8. And I'm going to add 7 more, and it's going to equal something. That's what we're going to figure out. So let's draw a picture. I had 8 stickers, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plus, I'm going to draw triangles this time, 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm going to count them all together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So what's my answer? 15. Good. So now I have my number sentence and my picture. All right, let's look at the back. What fraction of this shape is colored in? Well, first let's see how many pieces there are. 1, 2, 3, 4. We know when it's 4 pieces that it's cut into fourths. And how many squares are colored? Just 1. So is it 1/4, 2/4, or 1/2? We know it's not 1/2 because there's 4 pieces. And then how many did we say are colored? 1. So it is 1/4. All right, what fraction of this shape is colored in? Let's count how many pieces there are. 1, 2. When a piece is cut in 2 pieces, we know that those are halves. So is it 1/4? No, because it's cut into 2 pieces. How much is colored? 1/2 or 2 halves? Well, 2 halves would be a whole. So we know it's not that one. So we know our answer is B, 1/2. All right, let's look at number 7. It's another story problem. Ready? Fran saw 14 friends at the park. 5 went home. If they went home, are they at the park anymore? No. So how many friends were left? So how many friends are left? So we're going to take away, let's draw our number sentence. 14 friends at the park. And we know we're going to do take away because 5 of them left. So we know our answer is something. So we're going to figure that out. Let's draw a picture. Let's draw 14 friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And I'm going to mark out the 5 friends that went home. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count how many are still at the park. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many friends were left? 9. 9 friends were still at the park. Let's look at this number 8. True or false? We know if something is true, that it is correct. It is a fact. If it is false, we have to fix it. So let's look. 6 plus 6 equals 12. I'm going to use my cubes. So I have 6 green cubes and 6 more cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oop, you can't see them. Let me show you. So let's count and see if we have 12. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So is that true or false? Good, it's true because 6 plus 6 equals 12. All right. Now what if I have 15 blocks and I take away 7? Will my answer be 9? Let's see if that's true or false. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now I need to take away 7 to see if 9 is my answer. So I'm going to take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8's my answer, not 9, so I have to fix it. So we know our answer is false. All right, just a few more. Let's look at number 10. I have 13 plus 2. I'm going to hold 13 in my head and count 2 more. Ready? So 13, 14, 15. What's my answer? Good, 15. All right, number 11 is takeaway. I'm going to draw 14 circles and mark 6 of them out. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now I'm going to take away 6. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's count what's left. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what's my answer? 8. Could I hold 8 in my head and count 6 more to make sure I got 14? Sure. Let's hold 8 in our head and count up. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Good. So I got the same answer. All right, last one. 11 plus 4. I'm going to hold the 11 in my head and count 4 more. So ready? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What's my answer? Good, 15. I could draw a picture and have 11 circles plus 4 more if you need to draw a picture. All right, now it is your turn to go and do a great job on your math test. And then you can get on Splash Learn or PBS Kids Math.